Right, we're back again. Taking a bit of advantage of this sunny weather. We're going to start pulling the front of the car a bit. Get ready to fix it up because apparently the weather's going to get worse this week. So let's go and start pulling it apart. Right, first thing first, get the bonnet off. Get your smash up nose cone out. Get the radiator out. And then go from there. That bolt's a bit hard. Yeah. So a quick look, it's bent this a fair way back. That should be about there somewhere. That would be when the actual wheel hit the front of the car, must have hit higher up. Anyhow, we'll keep on to it. think that bolt's had it. Another file. I think the wire's a bit crushed there. These all sort of hang over top of this bracket. Doesn't anymore. Got a problem here. Gotta get this fan out, but it's that bent. It's all sort of squished in there. Look at the front here, how bad it is. It's put that seam clean apart. Big hole there. So push all this in. So we'll have to see what we can do, otherwise we'll have to call it a day. No problems. Power steering pulley is run through the front of it. Right, let's take a look what we got. There's the bump bar. There's a new one. Let's go on the next one into this one. The bump bar part's okay, but I'm not going to use it again. That's had it. But you can, with these, like here, we damaged the corner of another bump bar, so just cut a bit off another one and reuse it. So that could be useful for patching something up down the track. Bonnet's fixable. The radiator has had it. Never seen one so bad. Let's peel the tank off. Going through there, going through there. Also got the fan. Blowing the fan out. The fan also rubbed on the power steering pulley. All the way out through there. But that's all going away because we're going to put the radiator back next time. Now the car itself, that needs porta power out. Once we get the porta power back, we're going to fix up our radiator support brackets because that's what actually holds our radiator support panel up. Power steering pulley seems right. That's still a pump from when we rolled the car. It's still bent there, so that might get changed anyhow. We'll see how we go. So let's break the engine mount again. That's not a huge surprise. Then yeah, a bit of plastic in there. Balancer looks alright. I have to get it running in here and test it all. That bar there, that holds the radiator in, so that can go. It's had it. I think the rails are okay. I think it's mainly got underneath it and in the top of it. The bump bar seems good. So we'll repair this, put the porta power, push that back out. This scar's got a few cracks in it already. I've got a new one of these here. Done something there. So I'll probably change that guard. And this one, no, pretty much survived. So probably reuse that guard for now. Got a new nose cone order. It should be coming soon enough. I'll fix all these bonnet brackets up. Bonnet pins. So I'll show you how much it moved, because that was straight and it stayed with the bonnet, so it bent up that way. But that's a good start. Next step is to get it onto a hoist and have a good look underneath it. Right, we're using a different photo today. As you can tell, the camera's a bit hairy going. But that's it for today. We pull the front apart, ready to start fixing it properly. Next step's get it on a hoist. I'll porta power the front out first, then get a hoist, have a look underneath it, and go from there. And yeah, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you next time.